So this is when it starts to hold the toothpick in. So the bars are a little bit blue now, so I'm going to eject the toothpick now. I'm going to let go of the button, and now we'll just continue to erase and wipe. This takes a couple of minutes. Be patient. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back as soon as this portion is done. So then once the robot screen is done, you'll get this. It'll start to reboot. And what it's going to do is start loading all the files into the box. This takes a little bit of time. It takes anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. So please be patient and don't touch anything on your remote. There you go. So now this shows up. What you want to do is click Next. Click English as your language. Click Next again. Set your screen size. For this TV, I know that the corners should be at 92%. So I'll hit Next and then connect via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Make sure it says you're connected, then hit Finish. Once this comes up, you'll get this screen. This will tell you that your SD card is plugged in and your Wi-Fi signal will be up here. Mine is Ethernet, so that's why you get these two little mini monitors. Down here, what you're looking for is when this turns into 6 icons. That's when you're done. So now I'm going to pause the video again, and I'll be back once these 6 icons show up. So until that point, do not click anything. Just put your remote down and be patient. Okay, now we have 6 icons. I'm going to now take my SD card out, and you'll notice up here it will disappear. Gone. Now it still tells me I'm connected to the internet. First thing I want to do is find my Blackstream TV installer. So I click on this. There it is. So I'm going to add that to my shortcuts. I don't use Miracast. I don't use the 4K movie player, so I'm going to delete those out of my shortcuts. And I don't use Netflix, and I don't use Skype. So I'm going to delete all of those. You can add other ones. We put in here Facebook for you. There's Pinterest. There's Instagram. There's a few other. There's some video games we've uploaded in here as well that you can add to your shortcuts. But I prefer just these 3 down here that I like to use. So we want to click that one. There it is. There we go. So these are the 3 that I like to use. So those are the only 3 that I keep in my shortcuts. So then I want to click on Blackstream TV installer. Up here you get 3 little gray icons. Click on those and you want to wipe Kodi just to make sure there's nothing on the... So I'm going to click yes. There, process is complete. So it's deleted. There's nothing on there. Yours will take a little longer, possibly, and it may not. So now I want to download the new build. So you have 2 choices. Blackstream TV 3.0. Actually, you only have 1 choice. This is the one you want to click because that's all you have. These 2 are for me to use because they come off of my server. So I'm going to click on this one, but you're going to click on Blackstream TV 3.0. So I'm going to click, actually, I'll just do it with you as well. So I'll click on this one. It's going to say, are you sure you want to install Blackstream TV 3.0? I say yes. And now it's starting to download. I'm going to pause the video. And I'll come back when it's actually the process is complete. So it will download. This will take some time depending on your internet speed. After it's done downloading, it'll say downloading complete. Then it'll say extracting. Until you get a pop-up menu that says process is complete, don't do anything. Put your remote down and just be patient. I will now pause the video and I'll be back shortly. All right. Process completed. Press OK. Press the back button. As those of you who have updated to 2.1 your own, you know that this is a much simpler and easier way to update your Blackstream TV now. We're constantly trying to improve. So click on Media Center. So you'll notice that it's version 16.1 Jarvis. So that is the latest Kodi version. And also we've also changed the look of the build. We've had a lot of positive feedback from customers that have already done this process. So give it a second just to let it boot up. these are the new colors of Blackstream TV now. So it may kick you out the first time because the file's really big. Just click on it again and it'll load. When you hear that sound, it's a good sign. Black and yellow, as I was saying, is the new colors of Blackstream TV. The new boxes will be covered in black and yellow packaging as well. This is just, so now if you look down here, your drop down menu is now down here. So if I go down to movies, I'm going to get movies. These are the search engines down below. We've got a lot of positive feedback because people like to see all the icons of the possible things that they can actually access now. So they're all along here. Your updates will continue up here. Ignore this. This will update. This is what it will do the first time. And that's it. Skin shortcuts, let it do its updates. It's going to take a couple of minutes. I recommend people using the remote in the analog form so that you can see what it's going to do. And so we've added a few things. We've deleted a few things that we weren't getting positive feedback. And that's about it. I will give another tutorial how to use all these different add-ons, but the concept is the same. You just push down and all of your sources will be here. So all your little search engines will be down here now. So if I go to, for example, sports section, I push down and I'll get all of my sports icons down here. And if I go to networks, I'll get all my networks down here. If I go to movies, I go down here, they're all down here. Enjoy your Blackstream TV box, and we are constantly going to be improving because we are the future of TV. Have a great day. Bye for now.